Hello, 안녕하세요 여러분, and welcome back to a new video. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Kiran and I'm from India. I'm living in Korea from last 2 years and I used to create content about Korea, my experiences about Korea. So you can also follow me on Instagram. So in the last video, I've shared everything about what is topic, why topic is important, and so many other things. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch this video also. In today's video, I will be sharing that how to prepare for topic, what are the resources, what are the things we need to keep in mind while preparing for topic. So everything I'm gonna share in this video. So let's begin this video. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you that I have studied Korean in my Korean university for 1 year, and while we were studying Korean, we used books from Seoul National University. In those books, we have all the modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So let me share a clip with you guys in which I will show that how I used to study in my Korean language school. Yeah. When I was a Korean language student, I remembered the burden, At that time, we have 4 hours class and then we have homework and presentations and so many things. I've studied Korean, but I've never prepared for topic, and preparing for topic is a task. It's difficult. So for the topic preparation, I am using books from FunPik. Let me explain you a bit more about FunPik. FunPik basically provides you the topic preparing books and online lectures and an application also. FunPik is having their own application. So yeah, first of all, let me show you their books, that how we can study from their books, and then I will show you their application and then their online lectures. So yeah, let's go. So these are the topic books for beginner level, and I started studying from these books just to remind everything again. So in these books, we have study plan for 2 weeks, that how we can achieve our target topic level. Then we have practice questions in every lesson. So I used to solve the question first and then match with the given answer. And if I got something wrong, then I read the brief details provided for every answer in the answer sheet. And before jumping to the practice part, I study all the given details of how to solve the questions and understand the type of question. Along with that, I also go through the vocabulary and grammar expressions, and then I learn vocabulary and write them over and over again to remember them. You know what? When I started Korean, so I searched a lot about application. Korean learning application. For me, I'm very comfortable while studying from an application. You don't always need a pen or paper to study. Whenever you want to study, you just open the application and you just start studying. So it's very convenient, anywhere, anytime. So let me show you that how I used to study from this application. So when I open this application, it shows different tabs like home, practice, games, exam, and collect. So I click on practice, and then again it shows 2 tabs. So first I select my target level, and then I select the type of questions, and then I start solving them one by one. And then I have results. If I got some wrong answer, then I read the given details carefully and understand why I got this question wrong. And playing games on this application is my favorite part. We have games like picture matching, fill in the blanks, and make sentences. And it's better to participate in mock tests and to know your actual speed of solving questions. And learning from their online lectures is always the best choice.
All right, let's zoom in on this instruction because that's what we like to do here at FunPik.
Here I get to know the brief explanation of every question and effective way of finding the answer.
Is the right answer number 4. Okay.
You'll get some study tips in every lecture.
A bunch of expressions that have the same or at least similar functions. For example, 뭐뭐 하고자, 뭐뭐 하기 위해서, 뭐뭐 하려고. Even though they have different expressions, they function as the same thing. They all mean to do something. Expressions that indicate purpose.
And according to your target level, you can find lectures and start studying easily. As you guys know, I have only 1 month left in my TOPIK exam. I have created a study plan that how many times I have to study, writing, listening, reading, like I have divided my time. You know, because it's my first time and I'm super nervous, I'm excited and I'm scared. And I don't know. I'm doing my best from my side, so let's hope for the best. Don't worry guys, no more panic, nothing. Just be free and prepare, study. So that's my way of preparing TOPIK. Let me know how you guys are preparing for your TOPIK. So guys, if you want to order these books, link is in the description. You can check it out and you can order and you can start preparing for your TOPIK. It's okay guys, ये सब चलता रहता है, ये सब आम बातें हैं. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. So that's all for today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I'll see you very very soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye and annyeong from my FunPik friends.